Hello and welcome to 3-4 division patterns. Our goal today is that you will be able to use basic facts and patterns to divide by multiples of 10, 100, and 1000 mentally. So as always, we're going to start by showing our work so that I can kind of see what's going on in your head. But this is a really great strategy for you to have when you're dividing larger numbers. Okay, so we're going to kind of look at this a little bit closer on the next slide. So let's get started. So here's our first example. A monarch butterfly can fly 240 miles in 3 days. Okay, there's our important information. Suppose it flies the same distance each day. So that's a clue too, because we know we're either going to multiply or divide, because it says same distance, equal groups, kind of what our brain starts to think. How many miles can it fly in each day? So we're going to find what is 240 divided by 3. So our basic fact is 24 divided by 3, and that equals 8. So if I add a 0 and do 240 divided by 3, it's going to equal 80. Again, 24 divided by 3, and then add a 0. 24, or 2,400 divided by 3 is an 8 with 2 zeros, so 800. 24,000 divided by 3 is 8 with 3 zeros, or 8,000. So the pattern that matches the problem would just be 240 divided by 3 is 80. So the butterfly can fly 80 miles. So we can see if we know our basic facts, then we are able to apply it to much larger numbers when we're talking about powers of 10. When I say powers of 10, I just mean 10 to the first power, or 10. 10 to the second power, or 100. Remember, this little exponent tells us how many zeros it's going to have. 10 to the third power is 1,000, or a 1 with 3 zeros. Okay, so let's go to another problem here. A cow eats 900 pounds of hay over a period of 30 days. Okay, so we have 900 divided by 30. Ooh, okay. How many pounds of hay would the cow eat each day at this rate? So let's use some basic facts here. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 30 is 90, sorry. 30 times 30 is 900. Okay, so then if we think about it opposite, using division, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 90 divided by 30 is 3. 900 divided by 30 is 30. So can you notice any patterns there? Pause the video right now and really look at what are the patterns with the zeros. Like, it's not as easy quite as when we're multiplying, because then we just add however many zeros there are, right? When we're dividing, there's something different happening with the zero. So please pause and take a check it out. Okay, so what I want to draw your attention to is they cancel each other out. Did you notice that? So I have 1 0 here, 1 0 here. I'm just doing 9 divided by 3. Here I have 1 0, here I have 1 0, so there's 1 0 left over. So that means it's 30. So if there are zeros in the dividend or the divisor, you need to first cancel them out. So we can do our basic fact. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then we cancel out any zeros if we can, and then however many are left over, that's what's left. Okay, so here's another way. Let's use a pattern in the number of zeros. You can cross out the same, oh, that's what I was just talking about. Okay, so yeah. So 900 divided by 30, we're just going to do 9 divided by 3 is 3. They both have 1 0, so let's cross it out. The number that is left over is 1, so it'll be 30. Since H equals 30, the number of the cow eats 30 pounds per day. Okay, let's try using that. So 500 divided by 5. So I know 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 50, there's none to cancel out, divided by 5 is 1 with 1 0, or 10. 500 divided by 5 is 1 with 2 zeros, or 100. Let's try another one.